So hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I'm Amina and today I'm going to show you that what are VS Code themes and how much they are and how you can make them more better, so you'll be having more fun. Basically this is the extensions and we just need to go in this, and let me just erase this. So first of all, these are the extensions, but you need to go into the settings and you need to click on the themes. Okay, and this is the color theme, so this will be the colors theme. Okay, but the shortcut for this would be Control K T. Okay, Control plus K plus T. So we'll be having these colors, and now let me show you that how we can use it. So this is, let's say I want this color, so I'm clicking on this. Okay, but this is too light, so I don't want this. Let me change this again, so I can keep it like dark one, so this one would work. Or we can have, let's say, dark bordered, so these all borders would be dark. Let me do once again. So let's do VS Code Dark Visual Studio. Okay, I don't think it's dark anymore, so I can do this for dark plus V2. Now it's looking dark. So what if I want to add some colors into my VS Code theme? So let's click Control K T. Now here it is written that select color theme up and down keys to preview. So let's say I want an purple color theme. Okay, now I'll click here, browse additional themes. Now here are 50 shades of purple. See, the compiler is looking so good. So this will be the layout. See, now it's installing automatically. So if you want your VS Code to be blue, okay, so we can just click here and we can write here light blue. Okay, now let me just add it into the browse. See, this will be the light blue color. You can get any color you want. So let's say I want the peach color, so I'll just click here Control plus K plus T, and then I will write here peach. So this will search, and let me see, this is the peach pastel color, but I don't want this personally, it's too light for me. And let me go back to, let's say, this one. Okay, this one is good. The borders are much darker. Okay, so hopefully you are cleared with the VS Code themes. If you are not, just leave the comment below. I'll surely help you. Thank you so much for watching.